Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your business analytics with Google Data Studio, full guide step by step. To activate your business analytics with Google Data Studio, begin by visiting the Google Data Studio website. Log in using your Google account credentials. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. Click on the Create button located at the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Data Source. You will be presented with various connectors. Choose a connector that fits your data requirements, such as Google Sheets, Google Analytics, or SQL databases. Follow the prompts to authenticate and connect your chosen data source. Once connected, you will be directed to the data source configuration page. Here, you can edit the data fields, change data types, and ensure all your necessary metrics are available. After configuring your data source, click on the Connect button in the top right corner. Once connected, click Add to Report to include this data source in your new or existing report. Now, navigate back to the main dashboard and click on Create again. This time, select Report to start building your visualizations. You will see a blank canvas where you can start adding charts, tables, and other visualization elements. On the right side of the screen, browse the available chart options. Choose the type of chart or table that best represents the data you want to analyze. Drag and drop the selected chart onto your report canvas. In the Data panel on the right, select the previously connected data source for the visual. Now, customize the visualization by adjusting dimensions, metrics, and sorting options. You can also customize the appearance by changing colors, fonts, and styles to match your branding. To add interactivity, consider including filters or date ranges in your report. You can insert these interactive elements from the toolbar. Once your report layout is complete, review the visualizations for accuracy and clarity. When satisfied, click the Share button to set sharing options and permissions. You can generate a shareable link or invite team members directly via email. To continually analyze your data, revisit your report to make necessary updates and adaptations. Regularly check the Google Data Studio interface for new features and enhancements. With these steps, you've successfully activated your business analytics with Google Data Studio. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.